Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a live server in Visual Studio Code. To make a live studio, you have extension called live server. First of all, open Visual Studio Code, then click on here extensions. After, search for live server. As you see, this extension name live server. Click on that and install it. I already installed it. After the installation, go back to HTML file. And in here bottom you can see go live option available. Click on that. It will automatically open your web file. It is live service starting, and as you see it started my web browser. I'm going to change this good evening here into hello world. This is almost similar to React Native live server thing. Just simply press Ctrl and S. As you see, it automatically updated to your web browser in the blink of an eye. It automatically updated to your web browser in very next moment. Even though you can change any change you want to do and simply press Ctrl and S, or otherwise you can save in here. As you see, it will suddenly update after pressing Ctrl and S. Even though you can use this for HTML, anything, JavaScript, whatever language you are using. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.